Hi, welcome to Springer's Adventures. Frank here. So today's going to be part 2 of the series of the 67 Chevelle that my uncle picked up. He's got it all blown apart. He's got the body separated from the frame, pretty much got the car apart so you can see what he's got ahead of him, what has to be cut out, what has to be replaced, all that good stuff. So we're going to go check it out, show you what it looks like. If you have any questions or comments or something you really want to see on this car as it's being rebuilt over the course of the next year or so, leave a comment below and I'll see if I can answer that for you. So thanks again for watching, and let's go check out the 67 Chevelle.
The frame is damn good.
I think so, yeah.
I just got these. He thinks he's got some big washers. I'm going to put just a washer around here. See, there's a little rust in there.
Yeah. No, looks in good shape.
Yeah. Okay. Ah. Yeah. And no, they got a flip forklift. I called them. They said, "Yeah, we'll do the top and then we flip it upside down and do it."
All right, so let's do a little bit of a walk around now that the body is separated from the chassis. You can see he's got it up on a rotisserie, and we can get a little closer look. Being a hardtop, you see he put some supports in there to keep this rigidity of the body. So the floorboards, they're pretty much shot. They're completely wasted away, and there's no patch in that. That's a replacement there. You can see how the A-pillars are so-so down in there where the dash was and stuff like that as well. Up along the roof line, all along there. The front of the firewall as well. Now all those panels are replaceable. Here's a little bit more view side of the floorboards as well. Floorboards and the trunk and all that, the firewall, those are all new panels are available. He has ordered almost, I believe, all that stuff already for that. So quarter panel on this side, as you've seen before they took the car off the trailer and stuff when I was walking around. It was pretty much shot on that one side there. And of course that's looking up from the trunk. You could tell the trunk floor was just completely gone. He hasn't cut anything out at this point. This is just basically after it's been separated from the frame. So just kind of doing a general walk around, showing you the shape of this body as well. There you go, Chevelle, huh? So yeah, it's in pretty rough shape. It's you know, it's rebuildable though. I mean, you know, there's a lot of still good bones left on this car. So let's just walk around and we'll check out a little bit more parts from the car as he's got it separated.
So here's the dash. There was actually a rat nest down inside the dash. That's what years of rats and mice, feces and pee does to metal. Just eats it right away. Ain't that something? Rat pee. Caustic. So there's the old 283. Original valve covers. Original power glide on it. Guess this thing has seen its days, huh? A little bit dirty there. All original though. Pulleys and all.
So he did start ordering some of the parts. He ordered floorboards, he ordered door skins, he ordered trunk floor. There's a picture of the floorboard. I mean, it came in, he ordered one whole piece, so it'll go from basically the firewall tunnel back up to the package tray where it hits the trunk. So it'd be nice to put it all in one piece like that going in there. So as the parts come in, progress progresses. We'll show you. If you have any comments, shoot them below. If there's something you want to see in particular, let me know what it is, and I'll try to shoot it for you so we can see how it does it. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.